Hey guys, so this is my website. It's called My Farm Fix. It's the real remodel. So, kind of the concept for this website, my husband and I bought a 100-year-old farmhouse to renovate, and it's been quite a journey. And I feel like I wanted to bring some reality to what really goes on in a remodel because everything you see on TV is really kind of fake. So, this is kind of a blog about what things to avoid, tips and tricks, some DIYs, and also kind of a progress report for me so I can see how far I've come in this process. So, starting here on the home, we've just got home for all things renovation, decoration, and the loved ones inside. So, there's a little thing to the blog right there. Or as you scroll down in my content bars, I have a couple blog posts on there to read through or some products listed. And then as you scroll all the way down, I've got a little subscribe option and some different ways to reach me through social media. So coming back, going to the blog portion, I have some actual posts here. And I know it's a little empty, I don't have a ton. One of the things I've struggled with is trying to think of like creative quality content that would relate to people kind of in my situation. So I've just started out with a couple tips, and then I will progress obviously from there. And then over here to the About Me. This is me, I'm Kelsey. And then here I just have a little thing about me, why I started this blog, again, the 100-year-old farmhouse, and then what I want from the blog. And then as you come over here to contact, because I don't have a business with an actual address, this is what I'm starting with, just kind of a way for people to reach out to me, and then I can get back to them. And then here to the store, I have a couple DIYs that I've done and would offer selling. It's actually been really fun this semester, like thinking about ways to brand myself and the things that I love to do. So that's really been something I've learned a lot just about myself and what I could do with website and website design. Um, I don't know if you can tell, but one of the difficult things I've struggled with is optimizing my photos. I don't know why my laptop struggles so much and refuses to let me, but if you have any tips, help a girl out because it just won't let me optimize. So that's one of the difficult things. Just navigating Divi was really different. I've made WordPresses before, but this was a totally new experience and it's been really great and really challenging. So anyway, that's just a little bit about me. Thanks.